Hello and welcome to Teach Crest. We are cooking njahi with rice. You will need njahi 1 cup, spring onions chopped, coriander or dhania, and pili pili. In a sufuria, add your oil and stir fry your onions. Add your tomatoes with mchicha, maranth, and mix. Wash your njahi, open your lid and stir your tomato and onion mix. To incorporate. So, after washing and rinsing, you put your njahi into your stew. Then mix. Do the same until all your njahis, the black beans, are inside your sauce. Stir. Try to mash because njahi, it's not that easy. Also add some salt to taste, then stir. Add water for the soup. It's boiling there. Add your dhania. Oh, I also put my pili pili without cutting, just for the aroma. Look how they are looking delicious. Served. Bon appetite. Welcome. See how I am enjoying. Bon appetite. I hope you'll try this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video. Thank you.